and I've been placed into a software company in Pune.
पुणेरी पॅटर्न म्हणजे आपुलकीचा हात आणि विश्वासाची साथ, IT करिअरची खरी सुरुवात. त्यामुळे आमच्या चॅनलला आत्ताच सबस्क्राईब करा.
Hello, my name is Vaishnavi Shekhar. I've graduated from Sir Parshuram Bhau College, Pune. I've completed my education in computer science. In Puneri Pattern, I've completed the course Java Full Stack Developer.
So today our student Vaishnavi, she got placed in a good IT company. So let's appreciate her through flowers. From me. So Vaishnavi, throughout the journey, how you feel now?
I'm very excited and I feel happy that I've been placed in a very good IT company. As a fresher, it's very good opportunity for me to get into a big IT company. So I'm feeling very happy.
Okay, perfectly fine. So Vaishnavi, as we just having a small journey of the training and the services. So what is the thing that we are having? But as Vaishnavi is still like doing her classes, and I think classes are not over yet. So as you placed before the placement, before the completion of the course, then how you tried to get placed? Like how, like what are the other things done from your end to get placed?
Besides from learning from the sessions, I tried to do it by myself from my end. I tried to practice at home. Also, I tried various resources, YouTube channels where I get to learn more advanced things, and I kept practicing at home.
Okay, fine, great. So Vaishnavi, as normal students are studying for some hours and they are getting placed and facing many issues while getting placed in IT company. So how much hours of study as you done? Because as a Java full stack training as you are doing, comparatively that is very difficult training comparatively with the other trainings. So to crack such difficult interviews, how much time of like coding practice you done? How much time of theoretical practice you done?
So in our sessions, we have been taught the coding. So I used to practice there, and after that, I used to give 1 hour for learning that from the session. And basically, I used to write the theory notes
Okay.
along with that. So I used to get a proper knowledge of everything.
Okay, so you are own writing the theoretical notes.
Yeah,
That is good
in
point.
depth, because if others are telling us the theory, so we might not understand it in that much depth.
Yeah, but it is concept clearance,
Yeah. So if we write in our own words, we get it more disregarded.
clarity about it.
Clarity about the topic. Good. That is one more good point. So let's talk about cracking this interview. So what type of questions and what type of coding question they ask you to?
So basically, we should not write anything else rather than our own skills we know. So we should only mention our skills. The one which we are very confident in, and we know almost every question about it. So for me, they asked me about my resume, which I mentioned in my resume, my project,
Okay.
and basic Java, oops,
Like that.
yeah, and Python.
Okay. Good. So basically, this is very important point. We should write the things that we know only in the resume. That's all. And apart from this, how about the quality? Because there are a lot many institutes. So how you approach Puneri pattern, and like from where you get the reference out of it, and what are the best qualities that you feel like this is good for me?
So one of my relative
Okay.
told me about you guys.
Okay.
So after that I came here and I got to know and I joined.
Okay.
And yeah, you guys keep pushing yourself up to the limits. Like don't keep any limits. Keep pushing yourself and work for it. Honestly.
Okay. So began for Vaishnavi again.
Thanks to Puneri Pattern Team for their support.
Join Puneri Pattern.